Well, hi again, friends. This is me, Sushant Grover, business head, Dr. Bhatia Medical Coaching Institute, and again, it's a pleasure for us to have Dr. Prateek, rank 23, May AIMS 2016. Again, congratulations, Dr. Prateek.
Thank you so
Heartily
much, sir.
congratulations to you.
Thank you, sir.
बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो आपको to achieve
Thank you,
this
sir.
rank and have this success. To start with the what exactly you're feeling right now? पिछले 2-3 दिन से regular calls or everything is so much must be happening with you. So what is exact the feeling with you?
It feels really good, sir,
Yes.
to finally have achieved what was always my dream, to go to AIMS for my post-graduation. So it definitely feels very good.
Thank you. Quite calm and cool answer. It feels really good. That's great. That's great. Okay. So by achieving this, I would say a grand success to be a rank 23. How did DBMCI help you in achieving your success?
So DBMI played a very important role in my preparation, because initially I was preparing on my own, but I found that it was taking a lot of time and effort from my side, and I could not afford to lose time and waste time. So I decided to join the regular coaching, and it has really helped me, because it saved my time. Whatever I used to do in a week, here I used to complete in 3 days only. And there were regular tests also, so that really helped me identify the weak areas, so that I could focus on them more. And it also gave me a lot of practice for tests, so that I can remain calm during the final performance day. So
it's
it
an
was
honor
quite good.
you are giving some space to us too in your success. Another question which needs to be asked, and might be a lot of people will surely want to listen to this, that how is exactly you prepared for your exam? Everybody who gives a PG exam or AIMS exam prepare for prepare in their own way. Everybody have joined some sort of a coaching or something like, but you are ranked 23 again. So what was your funda to prepare for the exams?
So I used to revise the notes first, whatever is taught in class, and then attempt questions and see how much I am able to attempt and what all area I am lacking in. So I used to read those areas from the books given by the institute and also from other sources, and so that I get a holistic idea of the topic.
Right.
And I gave regular tests in full spirit of the final test, as sir always used to say. So that also I think played a very important part. So the idea is basically be attentive in class and listen carefully and revise when you go back and attempt as many questions as you can. So that will be really helpful.
As you just mentioned books and notes, any specific books or book maybe you like the most, or help you in achieving this rank 23?
I would especially and highly recommend the medicine book of this institute. It was really helpful. I have not, I neither have Harrison.
Medicine Essence, if I'm right. Okay.
Medicine Essence. I neither have Harrison nor have read Harrison, but I just read that book and it was really helpful. Highly condensed and very high yield material is given, and really easy to understand, very nicely given. So that is really helpful. I would recommend that to everyone.
That's great. That's great. Dr. Prateek, can you recall any of a point or a question of that May 2016 that you were stuck, or you were saying how could I answer this or something like? Can you explain what was exactly going through your mind at that time?
Actually, I would say that I was not sure. This time I think paper was a little different and a little difficult. And there were a lot of questions about which I did not have too much of idea. So I had to basically arrive at the answer by ruling out the options. So and that is, I think, the key in AIMS exam, because they will always ask questions which are a little out of context. So you have to arrive at the answer by ruling out the options.
Yes,
so that was my strategy basically.
Particular, as you have just said, that paper was a bit different from past exams. Can you explain that a bit, elaborate it?
Yeah,
how it was different from the last exams?
Actually, image-based questions were there in last exam. This time there were more image-based questions, even more than the previous exam. And a lot of histopathology slides, histology slides, which I was not very well prepared in. But that was what I found a little difficult. But I think with the coaching and class, I could solve most of the image-based questions also. So it was not that difficult. A number of questions were very vague. I think I had no idea what they were. So they will always be there. So you have to just take an intelligent guess and hope for the best.
Rule out the wrong ones.
Wrong ones. If you
that's great. As we are moving to finish this interview, any message you want to give to your juniors who will be attempting future November aims or might be 2017 aims? Any message you want to give to them, please?
Firstly, I would say that you should start preparing for the exam early, because it is getting tougher year by year. Secondly, coaching, I think it is very helpful. If you are 100% sure that you can prepare on your own, then only go for it. Otherwise, it's good if you can join some form of coaching, either test and discussion or a regular coaching. It's important to give tests at regular intervals and identify your weak areas and focus on that. And prepare for image-based questions from standard books if you can. And always believe that you can achieve it. That is the most important part, I think.
Again, another anchor is saying that believe in yourself and you can achieve it. So please guys, don't rush into things and believe in yourself, keep your cool, and I think this is the key, if I'm right.
Being cool is very important in the exam.
Yes. Chaliye. Any final good words for Dr. Bhatia Medical Coaching Institute?
I'm really grateful to the institute, because it has played a very important role in my success. I would say.
Okay. Well, thank you. Again, Dr. Prateek with us, rank 23, May AIMS 2016. It's a pleasure, and again, congratulations, and wish you the very best for your future. Thank you. Thank you all.